Hello friends, welcome to your channel. Today I am going to show how to install Active Directory on Windows Server 2022 step by step. So friends, now I am in our workstation. So that is demo environment. I am using the virtualization technology VMware. So in this session I am going to show how to install Active Directory. So I just show you friend. So click on Start menu, then you can click on the Server Management. So friend, here is one option, that is Add Roles and Features. So I am just click on that. Next. So I just click on the role based or feature based installation. Next. So here is showing my Active Directory. That is PC name. So I just show you. So AD 2022. So here is showing AD 2022, and also IP address is showing here. So now I am click on next. So friend, for Active Directory, just you click on this Active Directory domain service. So these are the roles. So simply I just click on this. So rest of I am not selecting anything. Click on next. So here is features. So there is no need to be anything because already selecting the group policy management. Okay, so click on next. So friend, here is showing for Active Directory domain service required a DNS server. Okay, so if you have any DNS server, just link with this Active Directory. Either you can install the fresh Active Directory. So I just click on here for next. So these are the Active Directory features. Click on installed. So friend, here that is notification area is showing the installation status. So friend, I just click on the notification area. Here is showing the promote this server as a domain controller. So I just click on that. So friend, here is the three option. One for the if you have any existing domain server, just you can click on the first option. If you have any existing server, domain server, you need to additional domain server, just click on second option. So in my scenario, I just click on the new forest because I am just install the fresh installation of domain controller. So I just putting the domain name, that is touch to technology. Click on next. So friend, here is showing by default functional label is Windows Server 2016. So it still is facing information. So here is the max option for Windows Server 2016, that is the default function label. So I Move forward. Here is the one option. So he's asking the password for the directory service restore mode. So I just enter the password for this mode, confirm the password, click on next. So no changes, then click on next. He's verifying the NetBIOS name. Okay, so I need some changes. So I just click on and change the name. Okay, click on next. So friend, he's also mentioned here, if you need any changes, just you click on change if necessary. So I just changing Y is missing here. So I just putting the Y and click on next and waiting for next label. So here Active Directory is creating a database folder, log folder or sysvol folder. So all three folder is creating on the Windows under the Windows. So I just click on next. So here is one option. So view script, you need script, just you copy and paste on the PowerShell. So I just click on next. So here is the verifying prerequisite of domains controller is still verifying. Okay. Okay. So here is the length too long. Okay. So I just click on back and Y. I just remove from here Y. Click on next because maximum length is 15. Once again is verifying. So click on next, next. So finally is verifying and validated. Okay, just click on install because he is showing the green signal. All prerequisites checked and passed successfully. Click on the install. That is the final step of Active Directory. So still process is running. Checking the group policy management console. So creating the CNAME. So finally installation is done. So here is showing one notification. The computer is being restarted because the Active Directory services has been installed. Okay, friend. Okay, friend. So I just so friend here is showing domain controller name and the administrator user. I just putting the password. So finally Active Directory installation is done. So I just taking the remote. So I am using the domain controller. So see friend, I am just using domain controller user, that is administrator. So these are the services, maybe delayed start. So I just click on start. Okay, there is no issue. So I just show you the here, click on the system. So friend, so here is showing system details. So you can also see from here. So advanced system, here is showing Active Directory details. So touch to technology. Dot local is the domain and the host name is AD2022. So I just click on allow. Remote is also allow here. Okay. So I just open the Active Directory user management. So I just click on server management, then click on tools. Here is the option user and computer Active Directory and just click on that. So just you can see here, friend, here is the forest, touch to technology dot local, and the user here, user is administrator. Okay, I just click on here, new, and click on user. So I just create one test user, click on next. I just putting the password and confirm the password. Okay, and next finish. So friend, I just click on DNS. So see, here is the forward lookup zone, reverse lookup zone. So here is the Active Directory, DNS details. So here is the Active Directory IP address and host name. So here is the A record, and you can see in the here. So friend, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this video to your families and friends, and keep stay with us to technology. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.